What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Beytubers. For this video, we're gonna talk about this Beyblade. Since nag-aantay pa tayo dun sa Jet Wyvern, let's do a Beyblade battle with this ZYKLON, Lucifer, Vanguard, Orbit Metal 2D. So ilalaban ko siya sa mga other Beyblade, and we'll see kung this 3D printed ring will work during the battle. So let's start. First battle with Brave Valkyrie. So kasama ko yung girlfriend ko, siya yung gagamit ng Brave Valkyrie. Alright, so first round, guys. Whoa, grabe yung atake ni Brave Valkyrie, and unti-unting humihina yung ikot ni Brave Valkyrie, and tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ikot. Oh my goodness. So it's a 1-0 para kay, what do you call it, ZYKLON Lucifer. Alright, so round 2 na to, guys. Whoa, grabe yun. Sobrang bilis doon ni Brave Valkyrie, but ZYKLON Lucifer managed to escape that attack. And look at Brave Valkyrie losing the stamina, circling around the Beyblade in the middle. So yun na nga, guys. At 2-0 tayo, guys. Alright, so this time we're gonna use Rage Longinus para sa battle with this Beyblade. Unang maka 2 points, siyang panalo. First round, guys. Whoa, grabe yun. And the win goes to Rage Longinus. So next round tayo. Second round. Whoa, grabe yun. Wow, nakita nyo yun, guys. Tumalsik dun si Rage Longinus and gumidla itong si ZYKLON Lucifer. So all one. Next round. Wow, grabe yun. Wala pa ako sinasabi, biglang boom. So 2-1 tayo, guys. So another win by this Beyblade. Alright, for this battle, we're gonna use Infinite Achilles with Infinite Shield na black. I like this, and we'll see kung sino man nanalo. Alright, so first round natin, guys. Naka-defense itong si what do you call that, yung Infinite Achilles, and we'll see kung mukhang nade-drain yung ikot dito ni ZYKLON Lucifer. But same goes with Achilles. Whoa, that's so close. I think that's a tie. Let's do another round. Alright, second round, guys. Kanina tabla, hindi ko napansin na kung sino talaga yung unang bumigay yung ikot, but we'll see. This is a round na to. So yan na, humihina na yung ikot ng dalawang Beyblade, and we'll find out kung sino ang una makaka first point. And there you go. So we have a win by ZYKLON Lucifer, 1-0. Third round. So 1-0 pa lang tayo, guys. Kailangan natin maka 2 points para matalo itong si Infinite Achilles na naka-Infinite Shield. And mukhang, yeah, nade-drain na yung ikot dito. Or pares lang umina ng ikot. And the win goes to Achilles. So all one. Next round. Alright, so dito na tayo sa final round. Sino kaya ang mga unang mga 2 points sa dalawang Beyblade na to? And as you can see, grabe yung humihina ng ikot. Oh my goodness. Sana hindi to tabla kasi na. There you go. So hindi nga siya tabla. We have a win for Infinite Achilles. So next Beyblade na tayo. Alright, guys, so we have the Student and the Mentor, World Spriggan versus ZYKLON Lucifer. Let's do this. Wow, grabe yun. Bilis ng galaw din ni World Spriggan, but okay, so we'll see kung makakapuntos tayo dito. Kalaban tong si World Spriggan na naka-right spin. Oh my goodness, na-drain yung ikot niya doon, and that's a 1 point for this Beyblade. Second round, guys, and we're looking for a 1 point win or to a tie this Beyblade battle, and mukhang malabong mangyari yun kasi yung shape nitong World Spriggan is bilog na bilog. Unlike dito kay... Oh my goodness, hindi ko na-expect yun. Panalo tayo dun. All one. Alright, so final round na tayo guys. We'll see kung makakalusot tayo dito sa World Spriggan na to. And so you can see guys, yan. Medyo pangit yung ikot doon ni ZYKLON Lucifer, but hopefully malusutan natin to. And as you can see, iniikutan siya ni World Spriggan and unang bumigay, and that's a win by World Spriggan. So that's it. This time we're gonna use Mirage Fafnir, which is a left spin Beyblade. So we'll see kung sino ang madidrain or kung sino yung maubusan ng ikot dito sa laban na to. So 2 points, siya ang panalo. First round, and ang unang umatake dun si ZYKLON Lucifer, and as you can see, grabe ang tinang ng ikot dito ni Mirage Fafnir. I like this Beyblade because yung buong ring niya paikot is nababalot ng rubber, and as you can see, mong nagkakaroon ng equalization dito sa dalawang Beyblade na to, and we'll see kung sino ang huling umikot, and as you can see, that's a win there by this Beyblade. Alright, so 1-0 tayo dun guys. Grabe yung bagsak doon ng Beyblade, and sana maulit muli kung yung panalong yun para next Beyblade tayo. As you can see guys, hindi ganun ka-stable yung ikot niya kasi ang ginagamit nating driver is yung orbit metal. Siguro kung plastic yung tip. Wow, that's a tie. Next round tayo. Alright, so this is I think the third round. Yeah, third round to guys. Kanina tumabla, but we need only 1 point para makamove on na tayo sa next, or makamove on tayo sa susunod na battle. And as you can see, iniikutan siya ni Mirage Fafnir, and I think yun nga, nagbibigay lang sila ng ikot kasi right spin and left spin. Oh, that's another tie. Wow, nilakasan ko yung ikot doon para medyo umatake itong si ZYKLON Lucifer. So 2-0 I think. Yeah, next Beyblade na tayo. Alright, this time we're gonna use the magkamukhang Super King chip. We have Lucifer, but different rings. So first 2 points wins. First round guys, and wow, ang ganda nila guys sa loob ng stadium. Purple versus purple, and whoa, I don't know why, but parang na-drain yung ikot, and that's a tie. Alright, so let's do another round. Alright, so this is gonna be the second round, and first round natin is tie kasi medyo, I think para silang na-drain ng ikot nila. Whoa, di ko na-expect yun guys. It's a win by this Beyblade. So 1-0 next round. Alright, third round tayo guys, and hopefully yeah, manalo tayo dito, and we'll see kung sino ang susunod na ilalaban natin dito kay ZYKLON the Lucifer. There you go, so 2-0 tayo guys. Next Beyblade. Alright, so this time we're gonna use first Uranus and yung Awaken na 2D chassis, and using the same driver Mobius for this Beyblade battle. So first 2 points wins. First round guys, and 1-0 tayo dun guys. Lumabas si first Uranus. Takot ata siya. Second round tayo guys, and hopefully maganda naman ipakitang laban dito ni first Uranus. Whoa, I think we're gonna win this battle, and there you go, 2-0. Alright, so this time we're gonna use Super Hyperion, but yung Hyperion chip niya is yung 2 with metal chip, and we're gonna use the Exceed Dash with X chip. Alright, so first 2 points wins. First round. Whoa! Kawawa ang Beyblade. 1-0. Whoa! All one. Next round. Alright, so all 1 tayo guys. Oh! 2-1 pala, sorry guys. So next Beyblade tayo. Alright, so this time we're gonna use Helios or King Helios na naka Super King. Yung Super King chip niya is metal. And yeah, we're gonna use the Zone Dash with Z chip. First 2 points wins. Alright, so first round. And para silang nasa gitna ng stadium, nag-agawan sila ng pwesto sa gitna. And yeah, earlier sobrang bilis nung pangyayari nung laban nung kay Super Hyperion. And we'll see for this battle. I think that's a tie, so we need another round. Alright, so medyo nilakasan ko para may onting thrill. And saglit lang naman, bumalik ulit sila sa gitna, agawan ng pwesto. And yep, medyo boring itong laban na to kasi nagubusan lang sila ng ikot. Oh! That's a win. And I think this one helped this Beyblade win. So 1-0. Wow! Wow! Sorry guys, medyo na-excite lang kasi dito kasi kailangan natin manalo and para makamove on sa next Beyblade battle. So we'll see. So makakatay ba tayo or there you go, all 1. Next round. Wow, bilis nun. So 2-1 tayo guys. Next Beyblade. This time we're gonna use the upgrade version ng Helios. And we're using the Super King chip dun sa King Helios. Alright, and just the normal zone driver. First 2 points wins. First round, and medyo hindi ganun ka-excite, but as you can see, medyo hindi ganun ka-stable yung ikot netong Zyklon Lucifer at the beginning. But yan, mukhang nagbibigayan ata sila ng ikot. We'll see kung sino ang last man standing or last Beyblade standing for this round. First round tayo guys, and there you go, it's a win by Zyklon Lucifer. Alright, so second round na tayo guys, and as you can see, nasa gitna itong si Zyklon Lucifer and sinusubukang agawan nitong si Helios Volcano. By the way, I'm using the Cho para dun sa Helios Volcano para gumana kaagad yung what do you call that, yung limit break niyang Volcano. But I think hindi gagana to dito kasi nga hindi naman attack type itong si Zyklon Lucifer. And as you can see, oh, that's a win. All 1 tayo guys. Alright, so we'll see kung ito na ba yung last round. Alright, and yun yung sinasabi sa inyo guys, yung ikot niya hindi ganun ka-stable sa umpisa, but pag nakuha niya na yung tamang momentum, stable na yung ikot netong Zyklon Lucifer. So yeah, hopefully, and medyo yeah, na humihina na yung ikot netong Helios or yeah, Helios Volcano. Oh my goodness, another win by this Beyblade. So 2-0. 2-1 or 2-0? Alright, so we're now down to the last Beyblade, and we'll see kung sino ang mananalo dito. So I'm using the what do you call that, yung I forgot this, it's the disc from Lucifer, the end. Oh yeah, this is Ko, and I'm using the normal Exceed driver, and same goes with the Super King chip galing sa Super Hyperion. So first 2 points wins. First round, and mukhang mag-ubos ng ikot dito si Super or si Hyperion Burn, and yun na naman yung nakakatawang ikot dito ni Zyklon Lucifer. Alright, so as you can see, sino naman yung stable na ikot dito, and we're aiming for the first point. So okay, I think that's a tie. Let's do another round. Second round, and first round natin is tie, but We'll see dito sa round na to. And by the way, dun sa mga nag-aabang ng what do you call that, yung Jet Wyvern, so hopefully ma-receive ko na siya. For this video lang, we have this, hindi siya Jet Wyvern, but we have the ZYKLON Lucifer. And there you go. So we got the first point, I think. Alright, so second round tayo guys. And wow, grabe yung banggaan dun guys. By the way, dun sa mga magtatanong kung saan ko ito nakuha, itong ring na to, binili ko sa Shopee. So wala akong machine para makagawa ng ganitong 3D printed plastic na ring. And kung gusto nyo bumili, lalagay ko na lang yung link dun sa baba ng description. So 2-0, win there by this Beyblade. There you have it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong Beyblade battle natin with this 3D printed layer ring na ZYKLON inspired by Crazy Aris. And yeah, just to let you know, yung combo niya is Lucifer, we have Vanguard, and driver, which is Orbit Metal, with the single chassis 1D. And dun sa sa mga magtatanong kung saan ko siya nabili, go to Shopee and then search TD Print. And yeah, mura lang naman to, hindi naman siya ganun ka pricey. And yeah, let me know dun sa comment section kung ano yung masasabi nyo dito sa Beyblade. And by the way, before I end this video, I just wanna ask what combo you would like to battle with the Jet Wyvern. So I think gagawa din ako ng post nun, and comment nyo na lang. So see you sa next Beyblade battle and review.